Okay, so in today's video I'm gonna have to make a start on this thing. You probably seen from previous videos that I've got this issue here. Well, I've been told that the latch or something doesn't know when the door is locked, so that's why I left the keys in the car and the car locked itself. Long story short, I had to drill this because I didn't want to smash any windows. And so now I've been like driving for, I don't know, half a year with the car unable to lock, and it's finally nice weather outside. I know it's that virus is creeping around the country, but the time is right, I think, to start on this. So I've bought this thing, which is a lock for a door, and that included this thing as well, because I thought, you know, with the key and everything, I thought if I'm changing this, I don't want to carry two keys around. So I thought if I can change this, a ba-boom, with this, a ba-boom, I'll have one key. And I'll scrap this one, and that is already gone. And I asked my friend, that's a nice bit of engineering there. Beautiful. I asked my friend and he said it should not be a problem as long as you change this, which is reading the capsule, which I broke in the previous videos, inside, which is reading the capsule and then is sending off to, I think, the immobilizing a dash or somewhere, I don't know. But if I'm able to change this is purely just a mechanical thing. If I'm changing the reading bit and it's easy to change, I can change this as well rather than have two keys. So without further ado, I think let's begin. What's this one? S2. Oh, A2. A2 S2. So you can use this for A2 or S2. Okay, so without further ado, like I said, let's begin. So you already previously seen how to take off the panel. It's a screwdriver jobby here, and then one bolt there. Come on, I ain't got all day. Need to charge this one. Need to charge it. It's a bit rusty. And then there's one screw there and one screw there. So if we can reach this one, can we? Yes, we can. Okay. One more. No. There we go. And this one. 3 screws and the grill. And that's all you need. And then it's just poppers. So grab the bottom. There you go. Poppers, poppers, poppers. And then hook on. Again, you've got, oh, the tweed just fell out. Unhook this baby. And let's put it back in. He wants to come out and play. Okay. There we go, back in his original place. Now you need to take this out, unhook, and again, like we saw previously, this is a hook, but there's like a little push, so you can do that by hand. You don't need a screwdriver. See? You just press on that with your nail, and then and that's it, and the panel is out. And that's only the first thing that needs to be out. Let's see. Okay, now I think we're gonna need to unhook, because it's gonna be in our way, and then unhook and unhook. Okay, that was pretty nice. What do we got here? Some snot because of this. A snotty hinge. Okay, what else? So this goes here. Poop. So we need to take this off, and that will, the speaker is, I need some paper. And we have paper. Okay, so I need to clean that snot of the speaker, so I can disconnect the speaker, and this, okay, put it to one side, it's unnecessary. Now we need to take this and this there, and I think that will be that, and then we need to take off this so we can remove this glossy panel so we can see what's behind, because I need to get in behind this panel. So we're gonna have to you'll need a bigger screw driver. So I've got another toolbox which has heads for big screws, and you can see that's a big screw, and I don't wanna chew it. There we go. This one is going, and these ones can be electrically unscrewed. 1, 2. Let's get the electric screwdriver as it's charging. Got a little bit of charge in it, and I think that's gonna be enough. Okay. Why is this Phillips? I have no idea. It's probably because it was lost and it was changed by a previous owner. thing. Now this should just take off like that, and that's your motor for the window. And now nothing is stopping me unscrewing this panel and ripping it off. I think it's glued in some points, so it's gonna be ripping it. Okay, do we have a bigger head like so? No, but we have an Allen key which sort of works. Let's see. Oh yeah, beautiful. Oh yeah, come on. Oh yeah. Now I think this is all loose. We actually got some of a aluminium tape, so we can tape that up. Somebody was in here, definitely. Okay, so now, in theory, if we push this in, it should start falling off. I can see, yes. I can see it's peeling off. I can feel the peel. Ah, there's one more screw, Jesus Christ. Let's do this one. Okay. Now, there's like a sticker foam here. You can see I don't, because my head doesn't fit, just the camera fits. And I'm ripping that foam. Oh yes, I can see the foam now. So now, okay, this stays in, this stays in. Now we need to take that off, do we? Because we've got some, yeah, we've got some cables, not cables, what are they called? You know, steel wires. So we need to release it, I think, from here, so the whole mechanism can be pushed away, so this can be taken off. There we go. So we push back the blue bits. You just press on the barbs, let's call them barbs, and it's out. So now we just continue ripping it off. And it comes off like so. Beautiful. Yeah, as you can see, this was the gluing, the foam, the glue foam that was holding it. So yeah, the speaker is not connected to anything, it's connected to this thing. Beautiful. So now, let's What's this? This is shouldn't be here. Okay. So now we need to get in even deeper into the handle. I have no idea what needs to be taken off. Okay, so this is the unlocking bit from this. That's what unlocks it. And now, where do I go from here? Is it a single frame? Because I remember my A3 was like a removable frame, and I can see that this is a removable frame as well. So the whole of this black thing is screwed there with a bolt behind there and there, so you can remove the whole thing with the glass, and then I think you can access that. I think it'd be easier to take off the whole door. So wire harness is stopping me from removing this door. This is just glued so it can be removed. No issue. Yes. Is the hole big enough for all the sockets? Looks like it. Have I got enough time to do it? I don't know. If not today, maybe tomorrow. We will probably pick this up tomorrow, because I think the whole thing needs to be removed to access the handle and the door lock. This is what I've got for a lock, and it looks like it locks in like this or something. So I'll probably need to, because I drilled through, so this will be gone. There's some bits that I can hear in the door panel, in the door, as I close the door always, so I'm gonna have to take the rubber off and everything. So let's leave it for now like this, and we'll come back in just a second next day. Okay, so we are back next day, same place, same issue. We need to sort out that lock. I don't know where I was. I was somewhere. I don't remember where I was. I was gonna take the door off, I think. I'm not gonna need the car for a few days because I'm working from home, as everybody else, or most of us, or none of us. Okay, so I think this is a very complicated thing. I need to take this harness out through that little hole, but to do so I need to sort of unclip it. Let me just get in there. Yes, there's like a clip, and I can push it from the other side. Okay. So today I've just been working on one video. It's just been uploaded, and you can go and check it out. But it's been uploaded for like, I don't know, 2-3 weeks, months maybe, until you're gonna hear this. That video I was talking about is where I swap my wheels. So that's the video I've been working on. It's like probably 3-4 hours of editing. Now I just went to town to buy some Red Bull into infested town. That's the clip there. Corona infested town. And now I am back on this because it needs to happen. Okay, so a bit more push. Push! Okay, so it's out. This I can see it's already coming out. There's like a plastic clip to hook the rubber on. Okay, so this is no loose. This will get loose. Or do we cut it now? We just cut it now. Cut a little bit. Me. There. Don't try this at home, but do try it outside. Okay, so now this is loose. We can sort of get it out. Now what we need to do is unscrew this one. No, unscrew this one first. So we're gonna loosen this one, and then it's gonna be just 1 bolt, 2 bolt, then the door will go away, and hopefully this wire is not gonna give me a lot of grief. It's just gonna come out fine, but we'll see. Let's stick this here. The reason why I'm doing is because I can't get to this bolt, and I need to get to this bolt to take out the frame, and I need to take out the frame to get to the locks. So I've got like maybe 2 hours of sun left, so let's go. 10 mil. What we're gonna do is, where's my 10 mil? Is that 10 mil? No, that's 11 mil. I need 10 mil. I've got my 10 mil. Oh yeah. Where's my Boshy Bosch? Or weak as weak. Okay, 10 mil. Nevertheless, never mind. Nevertheless, never mind. We'll get it somehow. Oh, I need paper as well, because it's all okay. Is this just 2 bolts? Yes, it is. You stay there. Boy, a little bit of gas came out. Okay, we're gonna sort that later. Don't care about now. Now I care about unscrewing those 2 bolts, and they Need special tool like this. I don't know what are these called, extra torque or something, I don't know. Okay, so it'll be this one. Where's my there's my okay, so I need this, maybe a little extension, a bit too long. Have we got anything shorter? Do you know? Anyone knows? Where's my shorter extension? Anyone? Anyone? Change? Change? Some change? There it is. Okay, put this one on there. Put this one on. Ba-boom. And now. Whoa. Released. Released. Okay, so now I just need some space to put my foot underneath, because this door is gonna fall. So undo the bottom one first. And then undo the top one. And now it's free. Let me just get my act together. Okay. So now we sort of can pull a little bit of that wire out. There we go. So the door can move here. And get that piece of plastic out. I need a screwdriver. Okay. Clip there. And clip on the other side. How do I get to the other side clip? Like this maybe. No. Now what, I'm gonna break this clip in a minute. I can access it through the inside. Can I? This clip is going to break in a minute. Hey, what if I try put something underneath? And try pushing it from the inside. It's like a little barb that holds it at the top. So if I can press on that somehow, somewhere. Let's see. There we go. I pressed on this. Yes. So now the bottom is coming out, but not the rest of it. can't believe it. I've never been this far away from here. Oh my god, it's impossible to take it out. It is possible, but I need someone to hold a lot of this door down. See what's happening? Do you see what is happening? Okay, I need to think about it. What if I break the clip? I know it's not a nice thing to break clips. Do I need to break it? Let me try one more time. This rubber condom here, I think, is going to be a problem. So if I cut it in half, this rubber thing, then it should be okay in theory. Stop hooking. There, you can hook there. Okay. This thing, if I cut it there, then I can push it in there and it'll still work. It'll still do what it's meant to do, but it's gonna be cut in half. Not in half, just one place. Okay, it's time for you to be cut. And I know there's a way around this, but I haven't got time to play with this. It will not make any difference whatsoever if this is cut or not. To me or you. There you go, cut. There's no way going back. Okay, so harness is coming out through the little hole. Now, let's see how the sockets will do. Okay. One is coming out slowly, yes. Yes. Now, the thicker one, will it fit through here? One day. This cable is long enough for me to maybe put the door like this and look at it from here. I can see the clips that I need to push for this plastic to come out. Should we try it? Because I don't think the bigger sockets will come out. I think we're gonna need to either break this plastic or take it out. Yes, I need to take out the plastic. Okay, so where were we? There must be a better way of designing this piece of plastic for it to come out easier, because this is not easy. There's 4 hooks, 4 barbs. Barbarians. And they need to be pushed, all of them, for this to work. I can push either 2 or 1. What if we over push him like I did on the top one, like that, and then over push him like that, push him harder. Now I need another one. Look at this, it's coming out. There we go. Let's put this one here. Now feast your eyes on this. No door. Okay, so what do we do now? We take that door apart, and to do that we need to take the rubber bit off first. What's it held? It's held by pushing it in. Okay, so we can remove the rubber because it's gonna get in our way. Okay, clips, 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 clips. I'm gonna have to remove those and put them in there and just pop them in if they're not coming out. Some of them are coming out, not all of them. Okay, so now we've got the rubber off. Let's put this somewhere safe, very safe. Maybe like here, safe. Go in there. Oh, beautiful. Really beautiful. Okay, so now we've got the sun in my eyes. We've got this bolt here, then we've got one from the inside there. Boom. So that's 2 holding there, and then there's one here, and I've got the sun in my eyes, and there's one in here there, look. So now we just need to find the correct torque head. What's this? No, that's no, it's gonna be one of those. One of them. This is a T45. Oh yeah, it's a T45. But I haven't got the what do you call this, when you have 1.5 inch to 6 something maybe inch. I don't know those inches. I haven't got that. No, what do you call it? Let me think. It's not an extension. It's from that to go into that. I don't know. Comment below how it's called. But I haven't got it, and I can see that I will need it in the future. So now I will have to unscrew it by hand. But first, let me take a selfie. And by selfie, I mean I need to make a mark where this door is, because these bolts are adjustable. So if you remove it and then you sort of put the door in too low, it's not gonna close properly and blah blah blah. And I don't wanna try and find out where the door is basically less adjusting. If you mark it on the door there, so that will give you an indication where the door was before you do any screwing. See? So, and we're gonna mark on this side like so. You're not gonna see it, it's all covered. But it's gonna make it easier for you to put it back together. Mark, mark. Now I can unscrew it. Okay, one is from this side and one is from that side, so maybe extension is in order. Maybe this is in order. Okay. Loosen that. Loosen that. Loosen this. And loosen this one. Unscrew it like this. I'm not gonna lose any washers, and nah, everything should be welded. It's just those 4 nuts, and as soon as you take them out, look at them whether they're different or not. If they're all the same, then it's fine. But if they're different, like for instance this one, see? This one came from the top and this one came from the bottom. Essentially they're the same bolt, but this has a washer already on him. So we're gonna put them in this order, so we don't forget. And screw this one. Audi could have done like aluminium bolts as well, because now the bolts are rusting and the door is not rusting. So this one came from the top there, and this one from the inside. I've only done this on my Audi A3 2001, I think it was. ages ago because I needed to replace some plastic clips. Oh, there's a washer which has fallen off this. Anything else is gonna fall off this? Not by the looks. So there's a washer. Okay, this one in there, this one like this. There's a washer there, and this one has no washers. So this one is like this. Now your door. Do I need to remove this? Do you think? Do you think? And how would I remove it? No. It doesn't look like it's connected, so now we can pull that out there like that.